Hey, welcome to the official Windows 8 channel. This is a quick little video to let you know and show you where you can find information about the size of the different apps that are installed in your computer. Like you know, Windows 8 is kind of a little dual personality. Half of it is kind of a personality of the old Windows type, and you can go into the add, remove programs and check what programs are installed. But you also have what's called apps, and most apps show up as tiles on your desktop like you see here. And so for that you need to have information. There's a quick way to access the information, especially if you're running low on hard drive space. How to get the information on how much space each apps use on your computer. So if you have a touch screen, just swipe from right to left on the right side of your screen and you'll bring out the charms bar. Or if you have a regular computer, take your pointer, put it on the upper or lower corner on the right side of the screen, and then go into settings. There you will go into change PC settings at the bottom right and go into the general tab. So you'll touch the general tab in the list if you have a touchscreen, or click on it, and you'll see here on the right side there's a thing called available storage. So you can view app sizes, that's called. So here, if you click there, it's going to basically make a list of all the apps, search for all the apps that are installed and how much space they are using. So depending on how many apps you have, it can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, and it will give you all the apps installed. What's interesting here is that the list gives you the apps in descending order of size. So the biggest app is at the top. So here I've got a game called Samurai vs. Zombies, and it says 760 megabytes. Sorry. And the next one is Nightmares at 542, and so on. So you see that, of course, most of the time games are what takes the most space. And as you go down, you have all the different apps and the space they take. So if you're a little low on hard drive space, then you can check what apps take the most space on your computer, and if you need to, well, you can actually then go and remove the apps. So for example, if I take a look here at my app size, and I would say, well, I need space, I would need at least 1 gigabyte. I might say, well, I want to, you know, remove, for example, Nightmares and Gunstringer are two games that I'm not really playing anymore. So what you could do is actually just go on clicking the Windows key on your keyboard to the desktop and get those applications that are too big. So for example, I said I didn't want to play Nightmares anymore, so I'll right click on it, and well, you have uninstall available at the bottom. So all you do is click the uninstall when it's going to say, well, do you want to remove it? Yep, uninstall. And basically you've removed it totally. The uninstall is as simple as that on the tiles. So once you've uninstalled it, you'll be basically you'll have removed that application, and also have freed all that space. So Nightmares took 572 megabytes if I remember well, and well, that space is now back for grabs. So if you're really short on hard drive space, I've gone through the different programs, then you can also remove the apps. Another example here is Cut the Rope, which is, this is a trial version. I've played all the levels of the trial version, so I'll remove it and say, well, okay, uninstall. So quick way to access that information of app size. All you have to do is go into the corners on the right of the screen, or if you have a touch screen, just swipe. Go into settings, change PC settings, general, and click on available storage. It might be a little lower, so you'll scroll down a little bit until you see available storage and click view app sizes. And here we go. As you've seen, the game that I've removed is now gone from the list. So it's as easy as that. If you need space, or if you're really short on space, and it can be easy to be short on space depending on what you're doing with your computer, it's the best way if you want to see the apps and the size that they actually take on your hard drive. If you enjoy these videos, maybe you got that new Windows 8 computer, a little lost and want to have help, hey, click the subscribe button. You'll be informed of new videos online. Maybe you have something that you'd like us to show you. Maybe something you don't understand. You can ask away and see if we can help you, and we'll try to do a video online for you. And hey, hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye bye.